Good morning. I'm back again. I kind of like coming in a little bit early and sitting here and doing these little card chats. Usually I would do them on my lunch break. Yeah, this coming in a little early and doing it first thing in the morning is kind of fun too. Get to watch all the people on their way to work. I'm one of them. So, okay, yesterday I did a card chat and it kind of went on and on and on and on. And even though it went on and on and on, I didn't get to show you everything I wanted to show you. So, that being said, what did I do with the time that I had while there was no power for 3 days? So, of course I crocheted as much as I could. I did get kind of chilly and my fingers got cold, but I started another scrap blanket. This time I'm going with all different color squares, but just solid squares. And then I'll put them together like in a patchwork. But no matter how many I make, I don't seem to empty the bag. There's still just tons in there. So that'll be a lunchtime project, right? And if I just keep making squares all the time, eventually I'm going to have tons of them and I'll piece them all together. So that's one card project. Another thing I did was I designed a new hat. I used this crazy color yarn. I had to talk to my friend Melanie from Hook to the Left because I couldn't remember what kind of yarn it was, but she said it was Big Twist, and I think she's right. I do remember that I bought it at Joann's and I made a teddy bear out of it. I think this hat would look cuter in a solid color, I'll be honest with you, but it's just a fun hat. I put it on at home and my husband said it looked like something that someone would wear if they were in the circus. I can kind of see that. That would be fun. But I thought if I put a Grateful Dead dancing bear on it, that might be kind of fun too. Kind of tie-dye, you know. I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. It's certainly comfortable. And it was really pretty easy to make. And naturally, I wrote down everything I did as I did it. So there might be a pattern coming soon if anybody's interested. And possibly a tutorial too. Again, if there's any interest in it, I will do it. You ask for it and I will give it to you. But it is a cute hat and I like it. And I think I'd really like it in a solid color. So, whew. At least I'm not putting my makeup on this morning, guys. Oh my goodness. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, yesterday I had to put my makeup on in my car because we had no power. So the car was perfect because 1, I had heat, and 2, I had light. There's enough light. Okay, what else am I working on? The Jaws blanket, I started it last night. It's going to take a little bit longer than my last corner to corner Grafgan, just because there are so many subtle color changes in it. It's going to take a while, but that's okay. I've got a while. I've got time to work on it. I am going to have to order a lot of yarn. Yesterday, I just had one skein of each color, so yesterday I kind of measured out how much yarn I'm going to need and did my math and went to the Premier website and, you know, put in my order in my shopping cart. I haven't paid for it yet. I haven't finished the order because it came to $85. And I said to my husband, your blanket's going to be expensive. So I might just hold off just a little bit just to see if I can get any deals. It was originally $96, I want to say, and I have the Honey app, and I applied that, and that brought it down to $85, but that's expensive. It was $20 to have the pattern printed, and the pattern itself was $8, so it's turning into a very expensive project. Oh, plus the yarn I've already purchased was like $30. Yeah, so this is like, this blanket's going to cost over $100. Oh well. Last thing I wanted to kind of talk about today is my new Crochet World came in. And I'm really enjoying this subscription. I'm glad that I got it. But I have to say, there's something that I noticed that's kind of weird. There's at least 2 or 3 offers when you go through the magazine, like these things, you know, where you can order the magazine. And all of them have different prices and different bargains. Here's another one. You know, this one is 2-year for $44.98, but then this one is 2 years for $32. So if you do subscribe to any magazine and they're like, oh, resubscribe, really check to make sure you're getting the best deal, because these were in the exact same magazine. Like, they came at the same time. And I think the other one in here is different as well. Yeah, this one's $24.98 a year, which comes to $49. This one comes to $32, and the other one I think was $44. So yeah, just be careful with it. I probably will renew it for $32. I don't know that it'll ever get better than that for price. But I did want to take a peek at some of the really cute stuff that they have in here. So this is a mosaic blanket. So if you enjoy mosaic, this might be a really pretty summer project. Let me see if I can find a better picture of it. It's really pretty. I have not done mosaic yet, but I know my friend Ginger loves to do mosaic. So that might be a good project for her. Okay, here's a good picture of it. And again, I can always take a picture and just pop it in there. But it's really pretty, all those waves. And the colors are really pretty. Of course, if you're not into those colors or you wanted the colors to match your house, you could certainly change it up. There were 2 other projects in here, though, that I thought were adorable for summertime. Summertime home decor. Seems like most of this month is home decor. But check out this placemat set. Isn't it so cute? It looks like sand, and then the silverware holders are flip-flops. Aren't they so cute? I thought they were adorable. I was like, that is a really cute idea. But then after I make one, I'm like, eh, I don't want to make the other 3. But so cute. And the last project that I thought was really cute this month. Oh, there it is, page 44. It's such a cute little pillow. It's a little sea turtle pillow, and I love sea turtles. So I thought that was so cute. I don't know why it doesn't have eyes. Maybe on the front of it where we can't see. It feels like it needs a face. But obviously you wouldn't see the face from this angle, so maybe there is a face and I just can't see it. But I just thought that was so cute. So cute. So that's what I have to say about Crochet World this month. There were other cute things in there too, but those were my favorites. What else is going on? Not too much. It's Friday. It's a beautiful morning. The power came back on at 3 o'clock yesterday. I was at the allergist getting my allergy shot when my son called and said, the power's back on. And that's good because it's a special day at our house. And the reason it's a special day at our house is because it's my son's birthday. So that's fun. We're gonna have some pizza for dinner and get him a cookie cake because that's what he loves. He loves the cookie cake. And then we're gonna go out shopping for his birthday gift. So that'll be fun. That'll be a fun evening. And then tomorrow we have to get started on chainsawing up all of the down limbs and the down tree and start the cleanup, which is not gonna be fun, but it's gotta be done. Not gonna be fun, gotta be done. That's all you can do. So without further ado, I am going to say goodbye. I've got to get to work. one more quick fun hat. Another hat picture. Oh, my coworkers are driving by. They're probably like, what is she doing? She's the weirdest person that works here. Maybe so, maybe no. I don't know. All right, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you check out Yarn Hookers tomorrow. The Yarn Hookers are Ginger and Melanie. I have retired from the Yarn Hookers. Nothing happened between us. There was no drama. It's exhausting. I was tired. It's a lot of prep work. A lot of time and effort goes into it. So check out those girls. They're awesome. I'm not sure whose channel it is this week. I want to say it's Melanie's at Hook to the Left this week. And that is every Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So check them out. I'm going to. A lot less work in watching it, believe me. Okay, everybody, have a great weekend. Bye.